Hello there, this is Prashant, and today we are going to discuss on a fabulous topic which is in front of you as role of media, especially in the field of education. Yes, we are focusing on a single side of a die which is related to the field of education. So, without wasting your time, let's get started that. In this VE module, what we are going to cover, firstly, we would focus on the introduction part of this whole topic, and after covering the introduction, we would emphasize on the meaning and the concept of this whole topic. And after covering both first and second point, we would focus on the central part of this whole topic actually, which is role of media, firstly as in a classroom and as in a school or at college level, and after that as in a professional level, professional development role of media we would cover. And after covering these three sub points, we would focus on the whole conclusion, and after the conclusion there would be two different slides would available for you to get a feel, to grasp the knowledge, actually more knowledge by going through those slides. Okay, so let's start the things with the first point, which is about the introduction. So let's move from here. So in this first introduction part, we would emphasize, we can see that there is three different words written here as we are using in our daily life. Like computer, we use computer. Tablets, sometimes a lot of people using tablets nowadays in our daily life. And after that, the third point, it is the point which is written here in the Indian context. It is a report saying that 90% population of the India using the cell phone, and other 10% are either from the backward position, actually financially they are weak, so that they are not using cell phone if they are unable to get purchase that cell phone. Otherwise they are familiar also with these things and the use of these things. So from these things, I would like to tell you that media plays a dominant role. Why I'm using to say that, actually in your atmosphere, in your environment, you may say that you may detect a person who is like I would like to tell you one example here, that there is a person in my locality. We usually call him as Gupta uncle, and Gupta uncle used to operate his cell phone even in the washroom also. So I would like to tell you that with this example, that there is a person in all around you would already available, so that you can correlate this point with that particular person, and can grasp the thing that how media can play a dominant role in our daily life. And before focusing this third point, I would like to focusing these other 3 points which is written here as proceed towards the wood and gives the ground on the right, and after that gives the various opportunity to round off. It is related to those things that media is providing you the opportunity to make your career in a solid mode, to give the solidity, to give the rigidity to your career, and make your future bright. And it is not just giving the help, it is actually helping you also to detecting your career, है ना? And by these things we can say that media is like a single file and silent line. Media is like a single file and silent line. You may also say that it would be actually I think it would be a tagline of media, but unfortunately there is not just a single platform in media, so that we cannot use this tagline for media specifically. So let's move with another slide which is dedicated to the meaning and concept of media. When we used to talk about the meaning, then it is necessary to know that the word media comes from where. So it, as always, a lot of words coming in the English language from the Latin language. So that's the same thing here, that media is a word which comes from the Latin plural word which is medium. It means to it means career, means like to carry something from one place to another place. So here in the second point I had emphasis this particular word, which is to push chair in or out. It is it has explaining the wording, same wordings which I had previously explained while I was explaining this the meaning of this word. So the concept of media is what? The concept of media is to inform us, is to educate our society, is to give the information to our society, is to share the things of at the world level, even at any corner in this world. So now media is what? Media is like being necessary of the basic things of a common man, which is like food and clothings. It is being necessary like those things, and media is like a single file, also once again the same things, and single silent line. Media walks toward the high standard knowledge. It each time when you go through from the same thing, you would get observe one new thing with this with the concept of media, with the use of media, with the correlation of media. You would grasp the information one more step up. Okay, so by these things I would like to conclude this slide here, and I hope you are getting understand very much. So yes, in this central slide of this whole video module, I would like to focus you that the on the role of media. So firstly, as in a first sub point, I would like to say that it would be about a classroom, means role of media as in a classroom. After that, role in a role of a media as in a school or at college level, and after both, we would emphasis on the professional development. So let's move with the further slide, which is about the role of media as in a classroom. So in earlier classes, any student can learn from it, and after the earlier classes, any student can learn with this. With this matlab, with the use of media, any student can learn, and in previous classes, yeah, in earlier classes, you may say that any student, any learner can learn from it, है ना? And media changes the concept of classroom. Media pulled the chair towards you, and it improves the learning at the society level. It improves the it focuses on the improvement of the learnings. These are a few of things which can understand very easily, but I would like to tell you, in Indian context, we can focus the thing like I had remembered that the use of television in the field of education in school education firstly initiated with the Ford Foundation USA, and the Education Department of Delhi administration has been initiated this concept in 1961. Actually 1961 was the year, in the month of October. And firstly not one, actually 250 TV sets has been settled in several schools of Delhi to increase the role of media in classroom at a school level. And after that, ISRO joined its hand to the Doordarshan and initiated this concept at the national level with the concept of site project. And before using the television before initiation of the television in the schools. We already started on focusing this role of media from the radio broadcasting. Actually, it was initiated with the British Broadcast Company in 1920 in Indian context actually. So let's move for further thing, which is role of media as in a school or at college level. So it helps to grasp the knowledge out of the curriculum. So yes, of course, it is very necessary to grasp the information out of the curriculum sometimes also, because curriculum talks about the thing which is necessary for your career. But when we used to say that out of the curriculum, it means it is much necessary for, it might be necessary for your life also. It might be possible that it would be for helpful for, it might be and might not be helpful for your future, but most of the cases media focuses on those things through which we can grasp the information out of the curriculum, and it gives the shift in any direction, as like you may detect the shift of concept of classroom, that in previous days there would be a concept of classroom that there should be particular infrastructure, there should be a number of students, there should be a particular instructor, there should be a number of benches, and then after that we used to pronunciate that it is classroom. But it nowadays it is not just about the concept of classroom. Why? Because if you are at your home, you may also learn, you may also grasp the information from the room also, at your home, from any corner of this world. Okay, let's move for further things, which is about the conclusion of this whole slide. And conclusion says that media plays a vital role in the field of education. It provides many tools like YouTube, WebEx, and Google Meet, and all other platforms are available in all around us. Our society is very much familiar nowadays. This is for what? This is for the betterment of education, for the betterment of their skills, for the simplicity of their skill. And when we used to talk about the simplicity, it means that we are changing ourselves from the complexity to the simplicity. And these are a few points. I can say that these are a few things you can go through from these points, and you can explain from yourselves. So this was all about the things from my side, and now I would like to focus on this reference slide. It is up to you how to use, how to evaluate the things from this slide. I would like to next focus on this self-assessment. The answer is firstly that it is 1967, it would be 1961, and after that simplicity, it should be complexity, it is again false. And after that, this is talking about SITE. SITE is a program for school education. It stands as satellite, absolutely correct, institutional television experiment. Yes, SITE is actually about the satellite instructional television experiment. It is not the institutional television experiment. Okay, so it is again false statement. First statement is false about due to this wrong digit 7 should not be there, and after that this simplicity is there. If there is need to change, then it means media says that it means there is complexity, and if there is simplicity, there is no need to change. Okay, so that there is false. This one is again false. And I already said to you that I was previously saying that the radio broadcasting in India started since 1920 by BBC which is British Broadcast Company, and the use of television initiated with since 1959. And so this statement is absolutely true statement. It is absolutely correct. And why it is also correct, I would like to tell you once again that in this statement I used to say that 1961 is the correct answer, but here the 1959 correct answer. So I would like to tell you that the use of television in the school level education, in the field of education, has been initiated since 1961. But in the Indian context, the use of television has been initiated since 1959. Okay. And another statement which is written here, that the Delhi School Television Project, which is also known as DST project, was projected by Delhi Educational Television Center, DETC, with the cooperation of Education Department of Delhi Administration and Birla Foundation, USA. This statement is absolutely true, but with this point, it is absolutely correct. But after this point, after this word and administration, this is not correct. Why? The foreign foundation which helped us in this project, DST project, it was the foreign firstly, but Birla Foundation is not foreign foundation. It is actually Indian foundation, but the foreign foundation named as Ford. Yes, it was Ford Foundation actually who helped us in this project actually. So Ford Foundation USA is helped us in this DST project to give and set the 250 sets of television in the classroom education for promoting the for promotion of the education in the local areas. It has been taken from the Delhi government as well as Delhi administration and Ford Foundation USA. So let's move for further thing. This was all about from my side, and thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. And in the two graphics I'm dancing, in first and in second graphic I'm dancing, but in the third graphic I'm not dancing. The reason is that in this second and in this first graphic I am absolutely free so that I can dance, but in this third one I am not free. So I would like to suggest you, if you are not free, there is no need to make a dance for anyone, even for yourself also. You should not need to dance for yourself also. So this was all about from my side. Thank you so much. This was the whole thing. I hope you would get clear sense, clear idea from this e-video module. If there would be any question, you may comment your question. I always had keen interest to solve your queries. Thank you so much from my side to attending this session, and I would like to especially thanks to my coordinator Dr. SSD sir, and our other professors, Jubilee ma'am, Pane sir, our HOD, who's Dr. Bika Lal sir, SL Bika sir, Shankar Lal Bika sir, and Behra sir was also there, who helped to cover up these things very clearly. I'm thankful to all my teachers also. Thank you so much for giving me your time once again.